La, 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 la.
Stand back. Stand back. What's up, everybody? Today we're going to continue on cleaning up the engine bay of my Chrysler Conquest. So last time we pretty much got everything disconnected. So today we're going to finish getting some of these lines off, and then we're going to tape it off and start painting. So what's the plan, Randall?
All these little straps, old straps for the harness, these need to come out. Pick up all this loose crap that's kind of in here so we can clean it and get it scuffed up and ready for paint. Actually, it looks pretty good.
So now what?
So now we're gonna start taping everything off. Alright, so we got everything masked off, and now we're going to start with the first coat of primer. And I am using just a basic Rust-Oleum automotive primer. If it looks horrible, well, I'll redo it.
Does it smell good?
Better already. It's gonna look awesome.
Great. I hope you're happy.
What?
You make me like want to do the same thing to Marla. Like after the first day of doing all this, and we just took everything out and how much better it looked. I'm like looking at my engine bay. I'm like, you know what? That looks a lot better.
Yeah.
I'm like looking. What can I delete? Is that the only thing you have?
Of course it is.
Alright, so I got the engine bay all primed. So now I'm going to start with the first coat of paint. And I'm using this Chrysler acrylic enamel. It says it's ideal for metal, fiberglass, and wood. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I got the first coat done. I do have to say it came out pretty good. There are a few little runs in it that I'll have to sand out before I do the second coat, but all in all, it's looking pretty good. I got the second coat on. I had to pull the car into the garage because I'm going to have to run out for a little bit. But after I get back, I'm going to go ahead and wet sand some of the runs, and then I'm going to apply a third coat and then a clear coat. So it's looking pretty good. Alright, so now I'm going to start wet sanding some of the runs with some 400 grit wet sand paper to get it as smooth as possible, and then we're going to put another coat on and then clear it. So the third coat is completely dry, so now I'm going to start spraying some clear coat, and then I'm going to start peeling everything off and see how it looks. And I do have to say it's looking a lot better than it did before. Alright, so I got the first coat of clear on, and it must be, I guess, too humid in my garage. There's some weird wrinkle on the when I put the clear on. That can just be sanded down and re-cleared once it's dry. But now I'm going to start unmasking some of the parts of the car. I mean, mainly because I'm not putting any color on it anymore. I'm just basically working with the clear coat. So I just really want to see what it's going to look like, to be honest with you. Alright, so I got just about everything unmasked. Still a couple things that have to be, where the tape has to be taken off. But it's looking pretty good. So I only did one coat of clear coat for right now. I am going to have to wait until that fully dries before I can sand some areas like here and here. And a couple other areas, but that's going to have to wait for another day. But now comes the fun part. Putting everything back together. Alright, so we got the inside all painted and looking all nice and new like. So next, hopefully, within the next month or so, we're going to start putting together back the motor. Unfortunately, next week we might not be able to do a video because we have a hurricane coming straight for us.
Maybe 3.
Maybe 3. So we'll just see how it goes, I guess.
And remember, if you like any of these shirts or hats that we are wearing today, check out snrmotoring.com to pick up your own.
Remember, only you can help us grow. See ya.
Thank you. Bye. Now the only thing is we didn't say anything about hitting that subscribe button or... I think they know how YouTube works, so...
Yeah.